Thank you for your purchase of funRide's Unik Tricycle. Built with strong and sturdy material, comes with zipper and bell. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, attach the back wheels to the end of the main body by using XL rod, visor, and quarter pin both side. Then close the rod opening by attaching cap covers both side. Continue the assembly by connecting rear mudguard to the back end of the main body by using provided screws. Now slide the lower cap in front of the fork and attach the mudguard by using 2 small screws. Insert this assembly to the front end of the main body and slide the handlebar along with upper cap and clamp from top of it. Tighten this assembly by using provided big nut and bolt. Let's attach the front wheel assembly to the main body by using provided nut and bolt both side. Finally, slide the seat cushion nuts inside the sturdy seat and attach this assembly to the main body by using provided bolts from the bottom of it. And for finishing touch, attach the bottle stand to the back end of the main body. Handle mask at the center of the handlebar. And the bell with the provided screws. The Unik Tricycle is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride, a ride of happiness.